spent $75 on this broken Google Pixel 6. For the 3 to 5 regular viewers, you've never seen me do a phone on the channel before, so it's something a little different. Let's hope I don't cock it up. Not the best choice in colour. So it might not be the easiest thing to see, but no, you can definitely see that. There's we've got cracks all over this screen. So I did already unlock it, test all the features. The screen has a bit of a mind of its own because of the cracks in it, and it's ghost touching. But the camera, the fingerprint sensor, the internet, all that other stuff seems to be happy and working. So I've already purchased a new screen in there. So we're gonna hopefully get this off successfully, get that one on successfully, and have a nice working phone. So the first thing we're gonna have to do, hot air station, we're gonna apply heat to the outside, enough so that we can start to pry it up and hopefully get it off safely. The idea is make it warm so the adhesive heats but don't melt anything. Easy in theory, let's hope we can pull it off. Once you have heated it up a little bit, you can get your pry tool or your guitar pick, whatever you choose as your weapon of choice, to start to pry underneath that screen. Keep inserting the picks as you go. I definitely should have turned this off first, but I didn't, and now I can't, so I'm just going to roll with it. We're pretty much at the end here. We've got all the adhesive done up. Loosen this edge a little bit more. So we need to get to that screw which is holding that one flex cable down. So we'll get that out and then we can get the screen off. It's a little star. Tell what it is there. Well, that has got to be one of the simplest screens to get off a phone, surely. Now, the only thing we need to do is get this fingerprint scanner off this screen, transplant it onto our new screen. Also need to remove all this glue that's still on there. So I'm going to do the glue first, then the fingerprint scanner. Calling all makers, creators, and innovators. Are you in need of a better way to 3D print? Unlock your imagination and watch your designs come to life in stunning detail. PCBWay's cutting-edge 3D printing technology ensures precision and speed, giving you the power to create and innovate like never before. From prototypes to production-ready models, they've got the expertise to elevate your projects. Choose from a wide range of materials, all backed by PCBWay's commitment to quality. And don't worry if you're not that creative, you're just looking to buy, get on their web store. Get something like the Raspberry Pi. Very handy device, so versatile, lots of uses. I'll leave a link in the description below so you can check them out for yourself. We'll start working on this fingerprint sensor scanner. So for that one there, we disconnect that. The cable's out. Now again, that piece is glued down, so we're going to have to heat it. Now, I need to be super careful doing this. I'm using a metal pry tool again here. A bit dodgy because if I slip with this or cut it or anything like that, it's going to destroy it. I'm not going to be able to reuse it. So, steady as she goes, nice and careful. Probably should use a plastic one, but I didn't. Got all the flex cable up now, so we're just going to go for the actual sensory part itself. Need to be careful not to shove this metal blade in too far because that sensor square bit in the middle is made of glass. So if we damage it, like poking in too hard or pulling on the wrong angle, it will also break it. This is probably the only hard, scary part about this repair. Oh, look at that.
I've just cleaned off a little bit of glue that was coming across that sensor. Hopefully it's all right. It doesn't look damaged as long as that flex cable isn't damaged. Let's get the new screen going. Now, they look the same, and the difference is we've got to put our fingerprint sensor on. That little thing up there is also missing off that one, so we can swap that over too. Little square bit of that needs to line up in a square bit of that. So hopefully we can line this up properly. Maybe about there.
Look at that flex cable plugged back in, clipped in. Get that screen plugged in. Got to be careful we don't mush it too hard. And then put the little metal tab over the top afterwards. Look at that, she's working. What we need to do is check that fingerprint scanner. Yeah, if you know, you know. And I'll press on it and make sure it is working, and it does work when I press it in the correct spot, so that is a win. I am happy with that. Now I did glue that screen down with the B7000. For some reason I didn't video it. Don't know why, but either way, it's glued down now and it's been clamped. Alright, let's undo it. Voila. I figured it'd be only fitting if I filmed the end of the video using the Google Pixel Pro 6. We can say bye bye to this broken, cracked, dead piece of poo. Don't forget to like, subscribe, reach 500. Thanks to all of those who have subscribed, and for those of you who will. Got some more stuff coming soon, so stay tuned. One last thing.
Wow, that held up surprisingly well.